Good morning. This is David at Yak of All Trades. We're going to be working on a 2010 Ford Expedition. This one has a surging problem and dies at stoplights. We're going to look at the mass airflow sensor, which is here on the side of the air cleaner box. To get to that, you take off this hose clamp here. You have 3 clips on the side of the box. 1, 2, 3. Separate the hose and lift the top of the box out. You got your airflow sensor wire here. Pull this red clip about 1/8 of an inch and then depress the tab and it slides off, or hopefully it will slide off. You then have 2 Torx screws on the side of the box. Make sure you have the right bit for this. And remove the screws. And the mass airflow sensor slides out. This is a complex mechanism. There's a number of small wires inside, and it can get trash inside that bridge the connections. Gently tap it. Make sure you have gotten any debris out of that. And then a little brake cleaner or electronics cleaner, anything that doesn't damage the electronics and dries up really quickly. Make sure it's not plugged in when you do this. Get any excess out of there, and it should dry up in just a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and reinstall this. Make sure you don't cross thread these screws. It's all plastic in here. Should be just like that when you're done. Back on the side. Reinstall your wire, press in your clip. Your tabs line back up and set the box cover back down. Fit your hose and your clips. Go. And of course, make certain that your clamp here is tight. You don't want it sucking any air around that mass airflow sensor. Otherwise, it can throw your computer off. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.